right, folks, we're going to do the Rolling Stones. Let's have a little sympathy for the devil. Ow! Ow! Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I've been around for a long, long years, stole many man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. Made them sure the pilot washed his hands, sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. I stood around St. Petersburg when I saw it was a time for a change. Killed the Tsar and his ministers, Anastasia screamed in vain. I rode a tank, held the generals right when the blitzkrieg raged and the body stank. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. Oh yeah, but what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Oh yeah, I watched with glee while you kings and queens spoke for 10 decades for the gods they made. I shouted out, who killed the Kennedys, when after all it was you and me. Let me please introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste, and I lay traps for the troubadours who gets killed before they reach Bombay. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. Oh yeah, but what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Oh yeah, now get down, baby. All right. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. Oh yeah, but what's confusing you is just the nature of my game. Oh yeah, just as every cop is a criminal and all the sinners saints, and heads and tails just call me Lucifer, 'cause I'm in need of some restraint. So if you meet me, have some courtesy, have some sympathy and some taste. Use all your well-learned polities, or I'll lay your soul to waste. Oh yeah. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. Oh yeah, but what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. I mean it. Now get down. Ooh. Oh yeah. Get down. Oh yeah. name? Tell me, honey, can you guess my name? Tell me, baby, what's my name? I'll tell you one time, you're to blame. Ooh, ooh, all right. Woo. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What's my name? Tell me, baby. What's my name? Tell me, sweetie. What's my name? Ooh.